create a video that have consistent character. So if you are watching this video on my YouTube channel, I want you to like this video, share this video, and endeavor to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be getting beneficial videos like this. Now, I've been to AI generation for some time now, and one of the challenge of creating videos of characters is inconsistent character. I've created several videos. Let me give you some example. Here's an example of a video created. You can see
Not
it
again.
looks very realistic.
Oh, please, Charles, please wake up. What's happening?
You discover that the characters are
I
very
borrowed from loan
consistent.
apps.
The man
I
and
was
the woman,
afraid.
their
Fear
face
is
are
killing us
consistent.
faster than death.
So
This is no
if you want to
longer
create
death.
a consistent
This is
character,
slavery with
you
data
want to
and
create a
phone
video
calls.
like 4 minutes,
Let's write
10 minutes,
everything
20
down.
minutes, and you want the character to
Death
be
on paper,
consistent.
not in my head.
This is what the video is all about. So I'll be using 3 platforms. Number
I
one,
acknowledge the debt.
I'll be using Whisk
I can pay 10,000 lollies monthly.
to
Please
maintain
restructure.
my character consistency, and I will use Grok or Gemini
I am not hiding anymore.
or first create the image
5,000
either on
naira
Grok,
today.
or I will create it from
Progress.
Gemini.google. Then
Structure.
so I've played that video. So I will. So what you do is that to maintain your consistent character, you need to create. Before I was using the idea of creating profiles, but it doesn't work like you having create the picture of what you want, of what your characters want. Or maybe you have two characters in the story, or you have four, or you have five, or you have two, minimum of two. I consider in the video I just played that those two major characters, the man and the woman, their face was looking the same throughout the video. So this has been a challenge on how to maintain consistency in your character, because if people are watching a video and they see that your character is changing, they will really not really flow with your content. So there are 3 platforms that I'm recommending. Number one, the first platform that we use to create your image after you have used ChatGPT to create your story. I'm going to show us an example of stories I've created on my ChatGPT. After you have created your show story, just imagine any story you want. Imagine a story, then give the prompt to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will now give you the image prompt, the video prompt, the scenes, and the dialogue in each scene. That's what ChatGPT will do for you. So each character that the ChatGPT gives you, you go and use that profile to create your image either on Grok. So I use Grok. So let me just go here. So I create a story. I just imagine the story that um a story. I say create a realistic Hollywood cinematic short story of an evil king in a kingdom charging high taxes and enslaving the people until a powerful man came to confront the king and rescue the people with might, power, and demanded that king should allow him and his team from Aderemi crazy up to let the people be taught AI generation. And so I just uh created that small storyline, and I told ChatGPT I need a 10 scene image prompt, video prompt for animation, include dialogue, visual style, camera movement. I want to use Whisk to create their consistent. That's the most important thing. I want to use Whisk to create their consistent character to provide for me for what we provide for me what Whisk will ask for. So he gave me the story title, The Code of Freedom, amazing short story. And so this is the character of the king, the evil king. So what I will just do that I will just click copy this profile. I will just say create a realistic image of an evil king named so. So until I found what I desire, I will not stop. So I went to my Grok. So if I don't like what he gave me, I will change it because I want it more. Because I'm an African man, I want more of African. So when I pasted it, create a realistic image of an evil king named King Votigen. So it gave me a Caucasian ethnicity. So I didn't want that. So I now prompted again that I want African. So he didn't give me the African. Let him look more like an African, no white skin. So I think he was able to give me something like this. This one look like an African. So I'm done with that character. So the next thing is that so all your characters just go and create the image until you find until the character are what you want, until you get what you really want in your imagination. That is what you should go for. That's what you should go for. So it gave me four profiles. Number one is the king profile, then the character, the powerful man. I will just copy, create a realistic image of a powerful man. Then I'll allow the other details to be followed. So I say create a team of this is a character three. It's a team of two men and women. I also copied that to Gemini or Grok, and also created the people. So I use Grok to do all that. And when Grok didn't give me what I want, I think Grok gave me so I also created an image of a man hero. So immediately I saw this image, I just fell in love with the image. So I also use Gemini.go. So you go to grok.com, sign up, then you can just click ask. It will give you anything that you want. So I also use Gemini.google. Yeah, Gemini.google for my other prompts. So any prompt that I don't like, I will just so I came here to also get more images. So these are the images I got here. So I said I said create me the team, those two teams. And he was writing something on top. So I said you should remove all those writings, and he gave me this. These are the team. Then I said you should create the people. The rest people are about 15 number appearance, having one hand clothing. He gave me white men. I don't want white men. I so create a realistic image of people in an African village. I didn't like it because this image of the people is not in tune with the medieval king, a king in the medieval times. So I didn't go for that. So I think I also created the hero again here, and I like this image. So I came back, it gave me an African looking king in the medieval times. So when I now reprompted, I said create a realistic image of people in the African advanced medieval times. I said that the background looks like the medieval times. So I'm okay with this. So when we are done with that, the next thing I'm going to do is that you go to Whisk. Go to whisk.com. Whisk. Search for Whisk. You will see labs.google. Just google.com. 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 This video is going to be lengthy, but it's going to be. I'm coming. Go to google.com. Then type Whisk. Whisk. With labs.google FS. So click the first one that says Google Labs. Go for that one. Opens. So you will see it like this. You see enter two. Enter two. So you enter two, then you must sign in with your Google Gmail account. So this is the way the interface looks like. So now I will now go to ChatGPT. Each scene that it gives me, I've already confirmed all my characters. I've already created my character that I want. So the first thing you have to do is you need to be creating the image prompt separately first. So I'll create the image prompt separately. So with the image prompt, after you are done with the image prompt, then you now go back to now animate those prompts. So what I will do here is that the first prompt is image prompt of a dark medieval kingdom under stormy skies. So I will just copy this image prompt like this. This is the beginning. This is the beginning of of the beginning. So I will just you first want to create the image using Whisk first. Okay, I think you can use Google Gemini to first do this one first. So just go to Gemini instead of Whisk now, because this first scene does not require the first does not require um the character. So I'll say create an image, a realistic image. So I'll click this image first. He gave me the image, but I don't like the image. It's showing me white skin. So I'm changing it to give me a white skin image of a medieval kingdom. To maintain consistency now, the scene 2 says that King Vortigern seated on a massive black throne, gold coins at his feet. That's scene 2. So that's when I will now use this now. So now I will now click add image because I want the king to be to now click, since you are the first scene is only one subject. So I will just agree. Okay, so you click the image icon, not the right top. So I will now upload the first character, the king seated, and I will now put the prompt. I have uploaded the king, is analyzing the king. So all my image of the king must be the same, it must not change. So I will now click cancel up here to now add the same. I will cancel up there. I will now paste what I want the king to do. King Vortigern seated on a massive black throne, go cut at his feet, gas beside him. So I will now click this forward arrow to generate the second scene for me. It generates the first image for me. So I will look, consider that the image of the king is the same. So I can pick one, the one that I want. I think I love this. So I will download it, the one that I want. So after adding the image, I now click posted the first scene and the second scene description. So the king has been placed on the massive throne. So I'll now go to the next prompt. This creating of this video is not going to be more than one minute, but it will take you hours to be able to generate it. Character now is scene 3. Scene 3. So I have 4 characters: the king, the powerful man, the people, and the team. I follow the man. So the people is a character. So I already created the image of the people. I will just go back to Whisk. I will delete this where they wrote subject. Subject. I will delete it. I will now click the image icon here, and I will add the image of the people I've already created. This will make your video to be consistent with character. So this is the trick. So with the image of the people, let me search for it. Mm, the image of the people. I think this is it. Okay, that's it. It's analyzing it. So I will cancel. Then you can see it's already here. So I will now remove this prompt, cancel it, paste it. A mother crying while gases food. So I'll just click that down row to create the image for me. Okay, I'll just change the prompt. I don't want children. Why others watching? Why other people watching helplessly? So let me now generate it. I say mother now. So if you are not generating, oh, a mother crying while guards. Let me change it to a man crying. How to? So the policy of Whisk, they don't want a child in the image. So I have to go and remove the children from the image and paste the prompt again. A woman crying. So a woman crying. Why gases food? Other people watching helplessly. I think this one will go. So they've given that image. So see the image. So I'm editing it now. Generate to remove the image of child and let the image be more sharper. So I think now I want to add the hero now. The hero is about to come. Icon Eremat. So what will I do? I will go down to add images. I will delete this one. Then I will now tap on this place. You see what I want to do now? I will upload the image of the hero. Then I will insert it in the scene so that it will maintain the same background. So I think I have the hero here. I have one image of the hero and I like this one. It will analyze it. Then I want this image to be inserted in the scene. So we'll go to scene. I have a picture. I can even add any of this scene, whether the last one I downloaded or this one. Let me see. Why? Like the scene, I want you to insert it. I will not cancel here. I will not describe, give it a prompt. The prompt I copy from ChatGPT, which is Aderemi standing at the kingdom gate, cloak flowing, glowing blue pendant. So I will now paste that. Short prompt. No, not this one. Oh God. When I finish this, you will see how beautiful this video will be. So I'll copy the prompt. Aderemi standing at the kingdom gate. So I will now paste the prompt, the image, then I will send. The scene I copied is the scene you see now. It's called the image. Okay. The image has minor. Let me check the image. Oh, okay, that's true. So I have to delete it. I don't want children in the image. So I have to upload the image where there's no child. The system is very, very powerful. So I've uploaded a new image. Look flowing. You can see that the background of all those towers, it looks like the image of the kingdom. I seen it. It's maintaining that consistency. So download the one that I want. Okay, that's download. Let me see. Okay, I love this. This is where it's going to get interesting. Now, I want to combine the image of Akon and the king in the throne room. So what will I do? I'll copy this prompt, this in 5. No, it's in 5. Sorry, it's in 5. Go back. So I'll click add images. I'll delete this scene. I will delete this image. I'll now upload the image of Akon the hero now. Akon the hero. So I'll be using the same image. You will see that the character will be consistent throughout. So the next character will now have, because I want this hero to interact with the king on his throne. So I'll now click that plus sign up to add a subject, because both of them want to interact. I will go back. I'll look for where the king sits down on the throne. So you can see that I'll be able to upload the image. Okay, I love this. So what did I do? I uploaded the image of Akon and the king. And the prompt is that Akon standing before King Vosigan in the throne room. So you can see him. So I prompted again that the king must be looking more darker. Let Akon face the king. Face the king. Talking with him. You should not be looking at the camera. So I prompted it to look at the king, face the king. You should not be facing the camera. So I can download the one that I want. So this is how to combine your characters. I think I can even use this one. Okay. I'll continue with the scenes. Then I will now later show us, after this we are able to understand how to put two characters, one character in the scene, the same character in the same scene as shown us. I'll show the continuation. I'll continue because so that the video will not be too long. We'll now see how I will combine all the images and form it as you see the aftermath of the video. On with the image creation using the image prompt. Now we want to create video prompt. So what I always do is that I will just copy after we have created our images for the 10 scenes. What you will do next is that we will now use the video prompt to now since you have already downloaded all those videos, all those images, and maintain the consistency of character, now I want to turn this to video. So what I always do is that I'll just say create a dark. I'll even add the image prompt with the video to make it more elaborate. So I will say create from the image prompt to the camera movement. I will create the content and I will edit it like this. Create a realistic video of a dark medieval kingdom under stormy skies. Put citizens. So I will do all this. Then where we will now turn the image to video. You can either use Grok or Google Flow, but I prefer using Google Flow. So what I do is I go to Google, just type Google Flow Labs. Type Google Flow Labs. This. Type Google Flow Labs. Google Flow Labs that you are seeing here. Google Flow Labs. Then agree all this. Google Flow Labs. Then you click create with flow. Click create with flow. Then there are some agreement button that you click and you'll be given free credits. This credit is very, very small, just 100 credits. You can't do more than 2 videos. You have to upgrade. So I have to open free Gmail account to be able to do what I want to. So I will now click new projects. So when you click new projects, so when this show, then you will see an option down here. You will see an option here, text to video. Click that down arrow and change it to ingredients to video. Ingredients to video. And if your image, click that. If your image, you want it to be in landscape for YouTube, change it to landscape. Then if you want the video to be in portrait form for stories on TikTok, on Facebook, change to portrait and leave the output to 1. Then leave the model to video 3.1 fast. So because I will be uploading to YouTube, I will change it to landscape. Then since you want to change that, you want to animate that video, that image, you just click the plus sign at the bottom after you have changed ingredient to video. Then I will now go and look for my first image. I will agree. I'll look for the first image I want to animate. First scene. I will change, just click it to landscape or portrait depending on what you want. So I think I want landscape, then I will crop. So when the image is uploaded, I will now paste the prompt. No, this is not the prompt. I've already edited the prompt. Let me copy the prompt. And use it. I'll paste it. So I will now send. So let's see what it will give us. So let me download it. It has created a video. So I'll click that down arrow to download it. I'll click that original size, then download. I'm waiting for it to download. So I will now play now.
This was a kingdom built on fear and ruled by greed.
That's animated as video.
This was a kingdom built on fear and ruled by greed.
So I'll now go to the next prompt. So I'll go to ChatGPT for the next prompt. So
This was a kingdom built on fear and ruled by greed. This was a kingdom built on fear and ruled by greed. This was a kingdom built on fear and ruled by greed. This was a kingdom built on fear and ruled by greed. This was a kingdom built on fear and ruled by greed. This was a kingdom built on fear and ruled by greed.
So I've got what I want. So this is the words.
This was a kingdom built on fear and ruled by greed.
This is what. So Grok is also good. So you can also just download Grok. Go to Play Store, download Grok, and sign up on it. I think I'll be using the two. Just upload the image. So this is my Grok. So I can be trying the two. I think Grok even gives when you download Grok, instead of going to ask, click imagine, then tap this place, tap that, upload your image. When you upload your image, just put your prompt there. That's what I did. So that's how you'll be adding your videos, your images one by one, the 10 images you've created. That's how you'll be adding one by one. Paste the prompt that you copied, then Grok or Google Flow will generate it for you. At the end of this video, I will show you the result of the entire video with caption. See all the 10 videos, then you can use CapCut. Now the CapCut I'm using is CapCut Premium. If you don't have this CapCut Premium, you're not able to get caption for your video, because caption for your video is very, very important, so that people will be reading what they are, what your characters are saying. So if you want to use CapCut, the normal CapCut on Play Store, you have to pay more than $10 monthly. But this CapCut, you can get it as low as less than $3. In Nigerian naira, it's about less than 4,000 naira for lifetime access. I've been using it for a long time. So below this video description, you can get access to how you can get it. So when you want to use the CapCut Pro, what I do is I will just click. I'll stay there. I don't sign in. Then I'll click new video, and I'll add all the scenes one by one that I've created. So after you have added the videos, let us play it.
We have nothing left, not even hope.
The next thing is I want to put caption. I'll just go to caption. Click. I'll pick the one that I want. So you go to the bottom. If you want to add text, just click that to add text. So whatever you do, just be using all the icons at the bottom. So I think the video has been long enough. So I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be getting beneficial videos like this. And if you want to get access to the full tutorial guide on AI video generation, I have a course that is less than $2. In Nigerian naira, it's just about $2,500. I mean, sorry, in naira, it's just about 2,600 naira. You'll be able to access the full training and support from me. So thank you for watching this video. Endeavor to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the button, bell button, to be able to be getting notification from me on any helpful video. Thank you and bye bye.